with at least 100,000 net securities points. These are the people making money here. And he's on the leadership council with us. And I just leaned over to him and was like, man, you've come a long way from, we went out and did a meeting for him and his team in Killeen, Texas, right? And he called it, rallied his team. This is a few years back. Oh, emergency meeting. Sean and Jamie Villalobos are going to be here to speak, and I think 4 people showed up. And so we go from that to now CEO, soon to be EVC, and just a great friend, a great guy. Let's give it up for the one and only Mr. James Schwartz.
CEOs in the room, come on up, and if we could have the TFA President's Council, and George, if you guys, and Victor, if you guys could come on up, we're going to do some recognition. So hey guys, here's the golden rule. We're going to get started. If you would clap on to others as you would have clap on to you, that's the rule. And we're going to start off with basically the lowest qualifier going up to the highest qualifier, okay? So here's the deal. Go up on the stage, come up to your left, high five everybody. Shake hands, get your award, but we only have 10 minutes to get 118
compañeros que se han destacado en ventas millonarias.
Here we go. Linda Clark, Danielle Kahn, James Schwartz, Alice Torres, Pam Rock, Joseph Gibbon, Maple Lee, Christy Sorensen, Franklin Joanne, Sarah Wang, JJ Lee, Dana and Frank Lavezia, Charles Carter, Tricia Pietza, Anthony Petruzzi, Susan Thursday, Art Hunt, Jay Hayden, Rudy and Amanda Lazari, Reed and Evelyn Meyer, Lester and Kristen Barrett, Timothy and Quinn Clay, Yanni and Christine Los Gordas, Jamie Lilly,
Y Las Vegas, Nevada, Gloria.
James Cabral, Albert R. Lowe, Rick Wilson, Mark Clark, Tom C. Matthews, Kimberly Renee, Jamie and Tarantino, Ricky Ma and Nick Sheen, Gary Chen and April Glenn, Darren and Debbie Darrell, Mark Thompson,